Hi guys, on this video we're going to be checking out a couple of products that Mngarista, and I do believe I'm saying the name correctly, I hope I am, sent for me to unbox and check out and tell you guys all about them. Now, this is not a sponsor review, so I'm going to say whatever I want. If I see any mistakes or something that I don't like in the product, I'm going to tell you guys my honest opinion about it. Now, they sent me these three things. This is a retractable keychain for keys and badges. I believe that this is as well. And this is the card holder. Now, let's start for the card holder. I enjoy the packaging, really simple, good design, with the logo right here. But the important thing is what is inside. Now, the price of the things is amazing because for $16 or $17, you take two pieces of the product itself and not only one. Now, I will prefer if they do the packaging with paper and not with plastic, but anyway. Here are the card holders, as you can see them. They are really sturdy. I believe this is all made out of plastic, but they're going to be really good if you work anywhere and you want to connect and use it with your keychain. You can set it right here and have your ID badge inside of here. You can see it with the transparent screen in this side, and they are going to be pretty durable. Now, let's check out the keychains. Let's unbox this one, pop, and this one. In the small box we have, oh, look at this. Again, it's coming 2-pack, so it's perfect. Look at this, guys. There are two different versions of the same. This is, I believe, the lightweight. Again, is of plastic, and one of them you're going to see it with one carabiner right here. And the second option is with a belt clip. Now, I do prefer the one with the carabiner. I believe it's more safe, especially if you hang it in your pants, then nobody can easily take it and steal it from you. In both of them, as you can see, is the ring for your keys, as well as this stripe to be able to set your card holder or card in here, so you have everything together in one place. And as you saw on the box, these are retractable. Now here you can hear the noise that these do. Let me set it up next to the microphone. I do believe they're really quiet. Now, this is not your normal string. This is still covered with nylon, but it's going to improve a lot, and you're going to be able to use this for a really long time. It's going to be difficult that this breaks before anything else on the keychain, I do believe. Now, let's look. What is this? Oh. These ones I like it more. This is the heavy duty. And this one is made out of metal. Have a lot more weight into them. With the same line, same keychain, and as well as the key holder. As well as before, you have two different versions. Again, I don't like the plastic bags. I will really prefer Mngarista if you do some paper instead. And as well, in these ones, you have one version with the carabiner and one version with the belt clip. I really enjoy the finish of everything, and I really hope that the finish that they did into the metal and as well as into the plastic is going to hold a long time. But this is something that we have to test out, and maybe upon 6 months and 1 year if this loses any of the color right here. Again, everything is retractable. I think the distance is around 30 inches. If I'm mistaken, I'm going to put it here somewhere. And for the price, guys, the quality is amazing. I do prefer the heavyweight as the lightweight. I think it's a lot more sturdy. Of course, it's made of metal, but they both look really good. And depending on the weight that you want to have, when you are having this attached to your pants or to your jacket, anything, you are going to choose one of the other one. Now, another thing that I would like to see, I know this is a good design, but I would like it to see if this part right here could be detachable. Because for what I see right here, only if you cut it, and this have a metal ring right here, so it's not going to be an easy task, you could detach it. And I hope the Mngarista look this video and maybe change the design of this so you could easily take it out and put it again in place. I know why they did it this way, because it's more secure, so nobody can yank on it and take it, your ID from you. Now let's set again this one right here. And this is it. One really nice package where you have everything together. I think the mechanism is going to hold for a long time. And if not, as you can see, in the plastic ones, there is not the case. But in the metal ones, you are going to be able to unscrew it, take the screw off, look what is inside, and if you have any problems, maybe repair it yourself. But I really do think this is going to hold you up for a long time. And for the price, guys, it's really cheap just to get a new one. For 17 bucks, 20 bucks, the quality is great. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this, especially for my work. I don't use an ID on my work, but I do use a chip that this will be perfect to hang in my pants. I come, beep, and everything is done. And I don't lose it, because if I lose it, I have to pay, and that is not good. So guys, I'm going to leave you some links in the description down below, so you can check Mngarista out. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing and a little bit of... I really hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Mngarista keychains and badge holders. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to be using this every day from now on with my keys. I know this was not a tech-related video like I always do, but I was thinking that this is something really interesting and maybe some of you guys want to take a look at. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.